Hello everyone, myself Dr. Anand Deer, Assistant Professor, Department of Collegiate Education, Government of Karnataka. Today I'm going to give information about career options in banking sectors. Career, banking, jobs, exams and eligibility. Structure of Indian banking system. The Indian banking is aided by the Reserve Bank of India, which is also known as the Central Bank of India and is the monetary authority. The rest of the banking system, which is by Reserve Bank of India, is broadly classified into three categories that are commercial banks, regional rural banks, and cooperative banks. Commercial banks. Public sector banks like State Bank of India and nearly 20 more, and private sector banks both Indian and foreigner like HDFC and IDFC First Bank. Commercial bank perform routine banking functions like mobilizing savings of general public and make them available to large and small industrial and trading units mainly for working capital requirement. Cooperative banks classified as state cooperative banks and central cooperative banks. Cooperative banks are also called because they are organized under the provisions of the cooperative credit societies. The major beneficiary of the cooperative banking in the agriculture sector in particular and the rural sector in general. Regional rural banks. The regional rural banks are the newest form of banks. They came into existence in the middle of 1970s, sponsored by individual nationalized commercial banks with the objectives of developing rural economy by providing credit and deposit facilitate for agriculture and other productive activities of all kinds in rural areas. Why should you join in banking sector? For job security, working conditions or environment, anyone can join, fixed timings, perks, global career. Career options in various kinds of banks in India. Reserve Bank of India, you can join as an assistant or a grade B officer. For the post of assistant, you should have degree in any discipline with at least 50% marks and your age should be between 18 years and 26 years. If you fulfill these eligibility conditions, then you can join, take Reserve Bank of India assistant exam, which is taken by Reserve Bank of India Service Board from time to time for selection of candidates for the post. For the post of grade A or B, you should have a first class bachelor degree with a minimum of 60% marks or an equivalent grade, or a second class master degree with a minimum of 55% marks or an equivalent grade, or a doctorate degree with 50% marks in master degree or equivalent grade, or chartered or cost accountant, company secretary with a bachelor degree or a postgraduate diploma in management from IIM, Indian Institute of Management only. And your age should be between the age group of 21 years and 30 years. For candidate possessing MPhil or PhD qualification, the upper age limit will be 31 years and 33 years respectively. Grade A or B officers, Reserve Bank of India grade A and B examination. State Bank of India and Canara Bank, etc., has a provincial officers, specialist officers, and clerical cadre recruitment in the State Bank of India is based on the exams taken by Reserve Bank, State Bank of India Recruitment Board, whereas in all other public sector banks, recruitment is done on the basis of IBPS CWE taken from time to time. Probationary officers in SBI, State Bank of India Probationary Officer examination, first division in graduation in any discipline with 65% or more marks, age between 21 years to 30 years, these public sector banks, clear IBPS CW probationary examination, graduation in any discipline, 20 years to 30 years of age. For the various posts of specialist officers like information technology officers, law officers, HR or personal officers in SBI and other public sector banks, you should have related qualification State Bank of India Specialist Officer Examination. IBPS CWE Specialist Officer exams respectively. For clerical cadre, you need to clear State Bank of India Clerk exam and IBPS CWE Clerk exam for SBI Clerk and other public sector banks clerks post respective only. For these exams, you should have a graduation degree in any stream between 20 to 28 years of age. You can join regional rural banks RRBs as office assistant, officer scale 1, officer scale 2, general banking officers or specialist officer, and office scale 3 after clearing IBPS CWA RRB examination. Recruitment in the state and central cooperative banks at both the clerical and officers level is done by the respective state and central bodies. Private sector banks like ICCI and HDFC, both at the clerical level as well as the lower managerial level, the selection process of these banks is more or less same. Certain specific qualifications like BCom with special focus on banking and accounting, Bachelor of Economics, Bachelor of Finance and Accounting, BSc in Banking and Finance, Bachelor of Banking and Finance, and BBA. BBA in Banking and Finance, etc., can give you an edge over those who have a generalized bachelor degree. Other than these courses are many other courses available too that can enhance your skills to get a good position in private banks. One thing that you have keep in mind, that is the eligibility certain may vary from bank to bank. Thank you one and all.